Upbeat music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with two fierce competitors, the Holy Stone HS440 foldable FPV drone and the DROCON drone. Buckle up, because this battle is going to be higher than your uncle's drone after Thanksgiving dinner. Let's get this drone showdown started. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. The Holy Stone HS440 will set you back $129. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is a bit kinder to your bank account at $109. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that extra large pizza during your drone flying session, DROCON's got your back. Sorry, Holy Stone, but that's $20 I could have spent on snacks. Point goes to DROCON. Now let's talk about cameras. The Holy Stone HS440 sports a 1080p HD camera that you can adjust within 90 degrees. Perfect for capturing every single awkward family reunion moment from above. Meanwhile, DROCON also has a 1080p camera, but you need to manually adjust it. So if you're into getting your hands dirty, or just your hands, DROCON's your guy. But let's be real. Who wants to mess with manual adjustments when you can just sit back and let the drone do the work? Reviewers say that the Holy Stone's camera is decent for the price and streams well to phones, whereas the DROCON's camera is sufficient but not the best. Holy Stone, you win this round. Less work, more play. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay up in the air. The Holy Stone HS440 offers you about 20 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But DROCON swoops in with not one, but TWO batteries, giving you a total of 24 minutes. That's 4 extra minutes to avoid crashing into your neighbor's tree. More flying time means more fun and fewer awkward apologies. DROCON, you're taking this one. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. They're practically begging you to take them on your next adventure. But here's the kicker. The DROCON drone weighs less than 249 grams, making it the ultimate featherweight champion. Holy Stone, you're cool and all, but DROCON is the drone version of a pocket-sized puppy. Adorable and portable. If I can fit it in my backpack without playing drone Tetris, it's a win for me. DROCON, you're the portability king. Finally, let's talk about user experience. Holy Stone HS440 has some beginner-friendly features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. Reviewers mention that it's a good starter drone, easy to learn, and durable. DROCON, however, goes full-on sci-fi with gesture recognition, voice control, and even a 360-degree flip feature. It's like having a drone that listens to you and performs circus tricks. DROCON, you're basically a flying, obedient puppy. Holy Stone, you're great, but DROCON's bringing the fun and the flair. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. Holy Stone HS440 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and decent camera quality. Reviewers found it to be a solid choice for beginners. On the other hand, DROCON drone is lauded for its affordability, extended flight time, and fun features, although its camera quality is not the best. Overall, DROCON is recommended for those prioritizing flight time and unique features, while Holy Stone is a reliable choice for beginners looking for durability and ease of use. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths, but if you're looking for the ultimate bang for your buck with a side of circus tricks, the DROCON drone takes the crown in this aerial showdown. But hey, If you're all about that adjustable camera and streamlined operation, Holy Stone HS440 might just be your new best friend. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.